Hey there, I'm Patricia. If you are one of the lucky ones who have received an activation code for a 2-for-1 Go membership, then this video is for you. I will actually show you how to use your code in order to get access to your deals. You can use your activation code at our website, 2for1go.com, and on your 2for1 Go app. I will demonstrate how you can use it on the app. You might have received your activation code because someone was sweet enough to give you a gift card to one of the memberships. The first thing you will have to do is to download the 2for1 Go app and to create a profile. When you are logged in to your profile, then click on the membership that your activation code is valid for. Then you click on Buy Now button and select Activation Code. Enter your code in the field and remember to pay attention to upper or lowercase letters. And then you click Submit. And voila! Your vouchers are now active and ready to be used. You can always find them on the My Vouchers page. Enjoy your vouchers!